Hello, thank you for looking at this 2024 235 Freedom. This boat's shown in coastal fog blue. It also has the new color matched Yamaha F300 V6. Let's go up and take a look. We have our fish box on the back, our live well, as well as the ski tow pylon. This does have the electric seat and a nice captain's chair. Turn around here, we got the rear drop down seat. Our battery switches just as we walk in the door, self-bailing hull. We have plenty of room up here for a nice electronics package of your choice. You can either pick that or we can guide you through picking the correct electronics for this boat. We have a nice fusion stereo system. This is the remote for it. The main head unit is located over here. And then we have a digital throttle and shift, Bennett trim tabs, and our Yamaha display gauge. We have a nice seawater head. Plenty of room in this boat. A little mirror here. This boat also has the three-sided enclosure, and we also have a bow cover and the aft drop-down curtain that connects here at the hardtop. Goes all the way to the back of the boat to cover this and keep it clean. Plenty of room in the bow area here to lounge out on this 23-foot boat. Plenty of storage under the seat here. That's actually a fish box. Over here we have a storage area with a little false door that connects into the head area, so you can put fishing rods in there and store them. If you have any questions about the boat, please reach out to us. Thank you.